has officially announced the global launch timeline for its Pura 80 series, the brand's latest photography-focused flagship lineup. After debut in China, the Pura 80, 80 Pro, 80 Pro Plus, and Ultra are all set to reach international markets. The Chinese tech giant confirmed the official date. It will get its global debut in Dubai on 10th July 2025. They have yet to confirm the availability details of which model. So recall, Pura 80 Ultra is the flagship model which brings the world's first dual-lens telephoto shooter. The primary sensor is a 1-inch 50 megapixel f1.6 to 4 variable aperture, which is paired with a 40 megapixel ultra-wide lens, 1.5 megapixel spectrum sensor, and 50 plus 12.5 dual periscope telephoto lens setup that has 3.7 and 9.4x optical zoom. On the other hand, the Pura 80 Pro packs the same 50 megapixel 1-inch RYYB primary sensor with variable aperture, 40 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and the periscope shooter has only one but offers 4x zoom. The entire Pura 80 series is equipped with Kirin 8020 SoC support for wired and fast wireless charging satellite communication. The device has a premium price tag and will start at over $1,000.